Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about if an appraisal order has been assigned to an appraiser and they need some re-inspection fee, like or additional trip fee. So what happens in that case, how a private client is being notified about it and what they need to do and all the other steps. So first of all, as you can see, this is an appraisal order that is in progress. If we click on the details of this appraisal order and move to its status update, so it is basically in progress and all the other status that it is paid and it is assigned and it was resumed. Basically, it was on hold and all the other different things that are different status and have different videos on it. But basically, it was approved and now we need to do that the appraiser has to do the inspection. And during the inspection, if they couldn't do the inspection, they need an additional trip fee. They need an additional trip to do the inspection, or there was any other case that they need to go for a second round. So they require additional trip fee. So what happens in that case? We'll look into this. Okay, as you can see, when an appraisal order is submitted, as you can see, it's on pause status. So earlier it was in progress, now it's in pause. If we go to the details and status update, so you can see that it was in progress and inspection was scheduled for this specific date and time. And why it was on pause condition? Because there is a re-inspection fee is required for this. And that is that we need to do an additional trip fee. It's required for this to like until that the appraisal order will be on pause condition. So as you can see that the inspection is scheduled and it is on pause condition, we need to move towards the inspection page to see that the inspection was so the inspection was made, but now we have to wait for the the ops admin to resume it and then we can pay for it. Okay, now as you can see, it's non-reinspection payment is requested, and you can see that it says reinspection fee is required. You can cancel the payment link as it was earlier generated. So you need to send a payment link or you have to pay now. Or you can move towards the status updates and you can see that it was unpaused and still it's unpaused, but it has been accepted by the ops admin. Now you need to make the payment. So before earlier you see that we couldn't do the payment, and if you see the inspection page here, you can see the amount and why, and the order has been is pending fee, so we need to do that. So you click on the pay now button, and now you can see it's on in progress as the payment was clear. You can move to the fee inspection page and you can see that the order was pending reinspection fees approved. And if you go to visit transaction, you see that the payment was paid for the reinspection fee was paid. So AMC is paid for that. And we move to a status update, so reinspection fee is paid, and now they need to move forward with that. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.